Welcome back to Cruising America, everyone. Today we're taking a dolphin excursion just off the shore of SpaceX in South Padre Island, Texas. We're Steve and Kathleen. We're Cruising America in our 35-foot fifth wheel RV, chasing 70-degree weather year-round. If you'd like to watch our previous videos, please click the Cruising America playlist link in the description below this video. Otherwise, enjoy our current episode starting now. Viator Tours took friends and us on the private historical wildlife and dolphin cruise February 28, 2025 in the mouth of the Brownsville, Texas Ocean Inlet and in the shadow of SpaceX. South Padre Island is home to approximately 350 bottlenose dolphins year-round. Other wildlife includes osprey, pelicans, sea turtles, cormorants, and rosy-cheeked spoonbills. This private cruise travels through the Laguana Madre to the mouth of the Brownsville Channel. These Atlantic bottlenose dolphins are known for their playful behavior. Not only did they swim alongside our boat, they also seemed to play with each other as they fed in the shallow water. Our guide said they're attracted to the boat because the boat gets the fish moving. Take in the scenery of the Texas coast, including SpaceX, on your tour. A rocket booster was sitting on the launch pad waiting for scheduled launch 3 days later. Your cruising vessel is a 26-foot leisure catamaran with a bimini cover for shade. It has plenty of room for a family or group of up to 6 passengers. Unlike the $20 per person tours on a large catamaran, this small boat is fast and agile, ensuring you get great wildlife encounters. It was worth it, as you can see the dolphins were going right underneath our boat. Bottled water, a local professional guide, and taxes and fees are included. Gratuities, alcoholic drinks, and food and drinks are not included, though you can purchase and bring them if desired.
No.
A maximum of 6 people are allowed. This excursion is not wheelchair accessible. Participants must be capable of stepping onto the boat, which is approximately 1 foot tall and 1 foot wide. We enjoyed the cruise and think it's worth the extra money to get closer to the dolphins. If you like our videos, please click the like and subscribe buttons to get instant notification when we post future videos to our Cruising America channel.